It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Hello guys, welcome back to VeeHive. I am Vondessa, and if you're new to my home, hello and welcome. If you're returning, hello and welcome back. So guys, today is the official reveal of our backyard and patio. So what I'm doing right here is giving you all of the back cap of what it was all before, a little cleanup, and then guys, you just don't know why you're getting this video on Sunday and not on yesterday on Saturday. Guys, yes, you know I have that huge fear of snakes, and it was a huge black snake in our yard, and I had to get hubby to come and spray the yard. So no other ado guys, this is the original video. But no, I did not clean all of this back wall right here. Nope, the snake was right over there, and I mean it was pretty huge. So guys, I'm gonna let you continue looking at this, and then I'm gonna bring you into what the area looks like now. So guys, right here when I was cleaning this area, guys, if that snake would have came out right here, I would not be here to give you this video. Oh my God, that is the only thing I have been thinking about. Praise the Lord, that snake was not in this area. So guys, here I am weeding all of that monstrosity down, and you see where I was, guys? Oh my gosh, that snake was very close to red in this area. So guys, this was the recap of the 2 days of cleaning. So guys, you know your girl loves doing the reveals. So after 2 days, C19 in the home, and a huge black snake, guys, I am ready to introduce to you our yard for the 2022 year. So enjoy.
All of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her.
Guys, you know I'm outside, but this is the overview of my outside dining. I think it came out very, very nicely, and putting the colors together. These are my Lenox napkins. I've had those for quite some time, and I'm finally getting to use them, and I think they are so pretty with my colors. And if you look at the wine, it's a greenish color, and the blue and that turquoise and white is in it, so it pulls it beautiful with the napkins. And these glasses, guys, yes, can you say thrift? And yes, these two and those two. So guys, yes, this is my dining table, and I absolutely love it. Not sure if I will be able to give it to you at night, but I have these lanterns up here, and they are real candles. You got to light with fire. So guys, this is my dining table. Remember I told you I was going to spray this? Yes, I did. It is now black, and I have it right here next to the table. So I have that ready to go. Guys, I know the air conditioning is loud, but now let's talk about my patio. So, you know, if you remember, I showed you I had another egg chair, and it was blue, guys. So I sold that one, and I purchased this one for $70 off of Facebook Marketplace. And guys, so let me tell you, only thing I add was the throw and the pillow. The cushion alone, oh my gosh, the cushion alone was $60. And I got all of this for $70. Absolutely beautiful. I have been out here swinging in it. So guys, I love my air swing, egg swing. And on mine, guys, it has cup holders on both sides. So yes, she's a cutie pie. I have been swinging and enjoying that. So here, guys, I decided to paint them brown and to bring in more of the bohemian, I think more island feel. So these pillows are what I told you that came from Walmart. This is my last year with these, I do believe, because they have been sunning, and I've had these for 3 seasons. Then these are the pillows, guys, I got from Goodwill, and they are outdoor pillows. And I just used my same table again, and don't mind that bucket. That is how I catch my rainwater for my plants, so I just left that there. So these are my plants, guys. They are coming back. As you know, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I do grow fresh pineapple trees, bushes, however you want to call it, plants. So guys, I have 6 of them here, and this one is going crazy. Yes, so this is all by your fresh pineapples. So yes, guys, you can make a beautiful plant with it. And this is my elephant ear. It is coming back out. Can't remember what the name of this flower, but guys, I got to finish cleaning out, but I got a new baby right there. And of course, on my 5 finger, I have a new shoot here, right there. So yes, the rest of my plants, guys, are at my dad's house. So let's talk about this space. So you know your girl do not and cannot eat grilled food outside. So I have my indoor outdoor grill here, and I just put these here. These glasses, guys, I was surprised. These are from the Dollar Tree about 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Put them in the dishwasher, none of them cracked, so they are back, and it matched my aesthetics outside. And now, of course, these are the side chairs. Put that relaxed pillow on there, and I'll show you where I was going to redo that that I found from Goodwill. I put the indoor outdoor material on that, and that is it. And yep, my fountain is back. Did not plug it up. I know it works, but it is back. So guys, my rug, I changed it. This is another indoor outdoor rug that I got from Ollie. So I have this rug. So blue flowers to match everything. Vase. These are coasters. My daughter made some drinks. Can't wait to drink it. Just put it on a clear tray. So guys, this is the patio. And guys, I absolutely love being there. Oh, and the biggest thing on the whole entire patio, the umbrella. Yeah. So I got this, guys, also off of Facebook Marketplace, and I paid $100 for it, guys. And if you go and walk Lowe's, there are $498 this season, and I just put some bulbs up here. So at nighttime, it'll have a little bit more light out here. So that is the big biggie. And I love it, guys. I really, really love it. I am not going over here. This is why this video is late. I did not get to clean. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you. I did not get a chance to clean all of this off like I need to. For one, C19 is in our home with 3. And also, guys, this morning I was getting ready to film and there was a huge black snake right there. I had to call my husband, had to beg him in for some breakfast. And he came and sprayed the whole entire yard with snake away. And I just had put these on there. And I came back to move this and the snake was right there. Oh, y'all know I'm petrified of snakes.
Pouring rain, and no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I'll still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
I'm finally at ease. So when times are